Good morning students. How are you all? I am Jyoti Arya from Great Christian Public School. So let's start the class. So students, today we will discuss the question answer and word meaning of Unit 3, Poem 3, Little by Little. So in the last class we have discussed about the poem Little by Little. Last क्लास से हमने एक बहुत प्यारी सी पोयम रीड किया था, समझा था, लिटिल बाय लिटिल, जिसमें एक सीड का स्टोरी है जो अपने बारे में बताता है कि मैं कैसे धीरे धीरे बढ़ रहा हूँ। पहले वो एक छोटा सा बीज था, फिर धीरे धीरे उसके स्टेम निकले, फिर ब्रांचेस निकले, तो धीरे धीरे वो बहुत कुछ सालों में वो बहुत बड़ा पेड़ बन गया। और जब वो बहुत बड़ा पेड़ बन गया तो वो प्राउड से फॉरेस्ट में स्टैंड करने लगा। उसे अपने ऊपर बहुत गर्व होने लगा, बहुत प्राउड होने लगा। सो टुडे वी विल डिस्कस द वर्ड मीनिंग एंड क्वेश्चन आंसर ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. I will send the pics of word meaning and question answer of this chapter. You have to write the word meaning and question answer in your fair notebook. So here you can see the word meaning of the poem Little by Little. The first word is hidden. The meaning of this word is not easy to find. Second word is slender, means very thin. Third word is mighty. Mighty means powerful. Branches. Fourth word. The meaning of branches is a part of a tree. Next is improving. The meaning of improving is to become better. Next is slowly. Slowly means at a slow speed. Next word is downwards, means towards a lower place. Now students, you have to write these word meanings in your fair notebook. See how I write here. First you will write on the top unit 3rd poem Little by Little. Then you will leave one line and after that you will start writing the word meaning. So let's move to the question answer. Your question answer is in page number 24. So let's read one by one. The first question is, name the tree that the acorn grows into. So what is the answer of this question? Just think for a while. Okay, now I am giving the answer. The answer is, an acorn grows into an oak tree. I am repeating the answer. An acorn grows into an oak tree. Then question number 2. What things does a seed need to grow? Question is, what things does a seed need to grow? The meaning of this question is, एक सीड को, एक बीज को ग्रो करने के लिए किस किस चीज़ की ज़रूरत है, क्या नीड है एक सीड को ग्रो करने के लिए. कैन यू गिव द आंसर? Okay, the answer is, a seed needs water, sunlight, soil and moisture to grow. Means एक सीड को क्या चाहिए बढ़ने के लिए? वाटर चाहिए, पानी, सनलाइट, सूर्य की रोशनी, सॉइल, ज़मीन और मॉइस्चर. जैसे हमें बढ़ने के लिए क्या चाहिए? एयर चाहिए, वाटर चाहिए, फूड चाहिए. सेम थिंग प्लांट को भी चाहिए होता है बढ़ने के लिए. तो द आंसर इज, अ सीड नीड्स वाटर, सनलाइट, सॉइल एंड मॉइस्चर टू ग्रो. नाउ मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. हाउ मेनी डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स कैन यू फाइंड इन दिस पोएम? द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज, इस पोएम में कितने वर्ड्स हैं जो डिस्क्राइबिंग है? डिस्क्राइब मीन्स जो ऐसे वर्ड जो डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं किसी पर्टिकुलर चीज़ के बारे में. सो द आंसर इज, द डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स इन दिस पोएम आर लिटिल, mossy, deep, thread-like, tiny, slender, wide, mighty. I will give you the answer of this chapter in the WhatsApp group. You will write the question and answer in your fair notebook. So let's check the describing words in the poem. See, the poem is here. The first describing word is little. You can see in the first line the word little. The next is mossy. Mossy is in the second line. Mossy. Mossy. The third word is deep. Deep is in the fourth line. Fourth line, second word. DEEP. Deep. Next is thread like. So come to the next paragraph. Thread like. See, this word is in the second stanza, first line. Thread like. THREAD. Thread. LIKE. Like. Thread like. Next word is tiny. You can see tiny here. Second paragraph, second line. Tiny. 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 Next word is slender. See here, you can see second last line. SLENDER. Slender. Next word is wide. In the same line, last word WIDE. Wide. The last word is mighty. The last line of the second paragraph. You can check here, the spelling is MIGHTY. So these are the describing words of this poem Little by Little. So you will write all the 3 question and answer in your fair notebook. First you will write the word meaning, then after that you will write the question answer. There are only 3 questions in this chapter. So I hope you understand the poem. Students, you have to learn this poem. And those who have learned the poem, जिसको poem याद हो गई है, तो वो मुझे voice message group में send कर सकते हैं. So students, tomorrow we will discuss the exercise of this chapter. कल हम same chapter का exercise discuss करेंगे. So students, till then, take care. Bye.